This is a really simple method to maximize muscle protein synthesis and still be in a calorie deficit, so lose fat, gain muscle, or maintain muscle. So to start off, if you're intermittent fasting, majority of the people are intermittent fasting because they want to lose fat, but they also want to retain or gain muscle. And you run into the problem of when you intermittent fast, yes, you're under calorie restriction, that's the goal of it, but you're also not spiking muscle protein synthesis as much as possible. And if you watch my last video, how many times a day to eat, if you want to get 46 meals a day, it can be difficult to fit that in from a 12 to 8 p.m. Eating window. So if you really want to maximize muscle protein synthesis, this is what you should do and still be in a calorie restriction. Right when you wake up, or whenever you wake up, instead of skipping breakfast, you can still skip the carbs and fats, but have a scoop or two of protein powder or egg whites or very lean meat. I would recommend getting 40 to 50 grams of protein. How you want to get that protein, it's up to you. The easiest way is probably through protein powder. Get 2 scoops of protein powder, boom, you got 50 grams of protein, 0 carbs and 0 fats. And this way, you're still in a calorie restriction, you're still in a calorie deficit, you're still losing fat, but you're also spiking muscle protein synthesis. So your body's gonna be repairing its muscles, and it's a win-win situation. So instead of skipping breakfast and waiting, just have a scoop of protein powder, have 2 scoops of it, get 40, 50 grams of protein. If you don't like protein powder, you could also go egg whites. Just get a source of pure protein. That way you're still in a calorie deficit, but you're also boosting muscle protein synthesis, and it's a win-win situation. That is all for today's video. Bang, bang, guapo out.